Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can access cPanel through Namecheap. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using the official Namecheap documentation for this simply because I don't have either Namecheap or cPanel. Don't have the money at the moment to afford it. So I'll just be going through this and I'll be explaining it through these instructions. Now, what you need to do, of course, is to first sign into your Namecheap account, then go to the menu on the bar on the left, and then just click on hosting list. Here you'll be redirected to your subscriptions page for your hosting subscriptions. Then you just need to find the domain that you want to access, and as you can see right next to your domain, if it is currently active, you will see a go to cPanel button, which you just click and it'll take you over there. Now, if it is not active, you can just activate it, or you'll see if it's expired, you'll just get a renew button instead of the go to cPanel, and you will need to renew it before you access your cPanel, and that is pretty much it. Now, you also have shortcuts. For example, if you choose the manage option next to the hosting option, you will be at the hosting product page where you can just click on manage through the software section, and as you can see, you'll also see the available cPanel plugins, which you will see on the software page. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. And of course, in the software section, you can also click go to cPanel, and that is going to take you over to cPanel as well. Or you can access it through your URLs. You can use HTTP or HTTPS. I do recommend HTTPS. For HTTPs, you can just use your domain.tld/cPanel, server host name colon 2082. You can use cPanel.yourdomain.tld and server IP colon 2082. Not sure why 2082. Usually I think the cPanel port is 2083, but it is what it is. And on the HTTPS, you can just use your server host name colon 2083, or your server IP colon 2083 works just as well. Or you can use your domain name and then colon 2083. That should work as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.